So pairwise comparison. Pairwise comparison is nothing but a hypothesis test between two groups among multiple groups. Okay, that's called a pairwise comparison. And an omnibus test, a single hypothesis test of the overall variance among multiple group means. Single hypothesis test of the overall variance among multiple group means are known as omnibus test. And decomposition of variance, separation of components contributing to an individual value, example from the overall average, from a treatment mean, and from a residual error. Then a statistic, a standardized statistic that measures the extent to which differences among group means exceed what might be expected in a chance model. And SS is nothing but sum of squares, referring to deviations from some average value. Now let's have a clear cut understanding about pairwise comparison and omnibus test. So pairwise comparison and omnibus tests are not types of F tests. They are additional statistical procedures that are often used in conjunction with F tests to further analyze and interpret the results. So let's see the breakdown. So as we have seen earlier, we have two types of F tests. One is one-way ANOVA F test. It is to do the feature selection and to check the statistical significance relationship between two variables. Whereas we have a regression F test, it's going to use to see the statistical significance of multiple variables, and that's what to check the overall F test. Overall F test. So then we have additional statistical procedures which are pairwise comparison is one. So which is used to conduct multiple pairwise tests between groups or treatments after an overall F test. Overall F test is your regression F test. That's what we call it as a overall F test. Or example, a one-way ANOVA to determine specific group differences. So pairwise comparison is used to conduct multiple pairwise tests between groups or treatments after an overall F test. After an overall F test. So example, we can use a one-way ANOVA to do that pairwise comparison to determine the specific group differences, or omnibus test used to evaluate the overall significance of a group of variables or predictors simultaneously. So typically in multivariate analysis, example a multivariate regression or multi-ANOVA, MANOVA. Okay, these are all pure statistician things. So in summary, a pairwise comparison and omnibus test are supplementary techniques applied alongside F tests to provide more detailed insights and interpretations of the data. They help refine the analysis by examining specific group differences or evaluating the overall significance of a set of variables respectively.